Are we live? I think we're live. What's up, guys?
Okay. What's going on?
Not much. Sorry about the accidental live earlier. I was trying to figure out how to go live, and then I just hit the go live button without knowing that it was just gonna create a random live stream on my channel. And now here we are.
This is nice. I like the new digs. Okay. Place is looking for so new lighting. Got new computers.
Yep.
Got the new setup. Is this a new room? Is this the same room? This must be a different room.
Different room.
I like it. How you feeling? Are you feeling like a new man?
Pretty good. It feels pretty good to be able to stream. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna be doing like a real live tomorrow, 11:30, until I think 2 or 2:30. I gotta figure out what time works best, and then we're just gonna go from there. We're gonna try to have as many people on that are available, and we're just gonna go with it.
I like it. Kick things off.
Yeah.
So let me see. I'm gonna go. Did you tweet out the link yet?
Oh no, I don't know how to do that.
You gotta tweet out the link, my guy.
Dude, this is why I say I don't know. Like I
know Rogue always gets on me for that. Rogue's always like, "Did you tweet out the link yet?" I'm like, "No, I didn't tweet out the link yet." He's like, "You gotta tweet out the link." I'm like, "Okay, all right, cool."
I gotta find the link.
Okay, I'm gonna tag you in the link.
Okay, cool. Hold on.
And I'll pop up for you. Let's see here. This is nice.
This is gonna be fun. Oh, there's a lot of people in here. This is cool.
Nice. Okay, hold on. I've never been a guest on someone's Restream before. This is weird. Is this how you guys see things?
This is how we see things. It's just
I feel like I don't have control. I don't know what to do.
It's weird, isn't it? I gotta figure out how to like set this all up and make sure I can see everything, because right now it's all disorganized.
Let me see here.
Oh boy.
I mean, I said it's your first live stream, but it's kind of like your first, kind of like 1.5.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a ish. Your first live stream ish. It's cool. All
right. I sent out a tweet.
Okay, I'm gonna retweet that one
live
too.
Chat. This is great.
Yeah, the live chat moves so weird.
Yeah,
it moves so weird from here. I can't scroll up and down. Make the squeeze happen.
That's the hardest part.
Because when it's gone, it's gone.
Yep.
Interesting. Can I copy what people are saying here? Oh
no, you can't really do anything when it moves fast. Like when you have those big streams.
Yeah.
I can't, like, it'll go and then it'll just be gone.
Nice.
I think I said Rogue the link too, so let's see if he wants to pop in here.
He's gonna come in here with the boom candles.
Yeah, the Rogue's boom candles, I think, are competitive to Trey's. That's a bold statement, but Rogue during the day gets me going on the boom candles.
Starting it off right. Okay, how do I?
Dave Portnoy needs to jump back in. You're right.
I wish Dave Portnoy would jump back in. I'd love to have a little debate with that bad boy. People were loving that.
I think my little logo's in the way. I think I need to readjust what we're doing here.
Oh, if you're of you. Oh, press the side one. Press the side.
That one.
Yeah, there you go. Nice background, buddy. Very refreshing.
Thank you. I gotta like make sure there's no. This like poster is like
no. I meant like on the screen that blue background.
Oh, thank you.
I can't see what's behind you though. What is that? Painting?
Yeah, it's a Steve Young poster. I think it was my brother's from like a million years ago.
Nice.
Portnoy's having a meltdown. That's hilarious.
I can imagine. Let's go check out his Twitter account and see what he's doing. Oh yeah, be careful about going on Twitter with the same tab you're streaming, because if your DMs are open, We'll
Gotcha.
see those pics that the guys were sending you. We'll see all those bad boys. So be careful.
Oh yeah.
Scandalous.
Hey, I think that's only you, man. Everybody thinks I'm 16 years old, which is fine. I don't need any of that in my DMs. My DMs are all DD, due diligence.
Oh, that's what you meant. I thought you meant the other DD. Let's see here. What's this guy saying? This was a fair representation of. Nope.
Who is Gary Gensler? I don't know, man. I think it's the chair of the SEC. That's what we're going with now.
You know, it's weird. All these interviews with Charles Payne were. Oh wow. Okay. Well, apparently he's doing okay. He retweeted it. Like he retweeted the actual video of himself being called a little. Can we swear on your channel? I don't know what the deal is. But let's not. I guess let's not. Just in case.
Yeah, let's start it off slow.
Just in case. Let's see here.
What are my thoughts on Ortex not being able to keep up with the shenanigans? I mean, Ortex, they do a great job. I heard it put really great one time. Ortex is an honest company getting their information from dishonest people. So they're reporting the information in a great way, but it's very hard for them to actually give us the correct information when they're getting their information from people who are just essentially lying because it's coming from S&P Global. And I think we saw it today. What did the exchange reported short interest come out? It was above 18, right? Because that's what Matt said on the stream.
Well, he said that they're going to change it tomorrow. It's going to see, and they called him an hour before the day was done, saying that they're going to see a spike tomorrow in the short interest. It should reflect around roughly an $18%.
Yeah.
So it's
cool.
It's crazy. It's crazy. Sub 20% question mark. Yeah, to me, 18% from what they should be reporting is like the floor.
Yeah.
Like it could literally be twice. It could literally be twice as much.
Well, let me see if I can pull up Matt's tweet. I was gonna say, because did you guys see Matt Core's tweet where he was like, imagine that the short interest is higher than expected. And I was gonna be like, what if it's higher than expected? Because of all of we know it's gotta be so much higher than what the reported numbers are. Because if you guys have seen how the short interest is reported, it's self-reported. And the fines for underreporting, I think the highest one I've seen is like $700,000. It's nothing to these people.
Jeez. Yeah, meanwhile, they're making what? Millions of dollars daily?
Oh, exactly. They're losing a lot of money on these borrow rates.
Or that. Hedge funds, they've been having, this is the worst year. Like last year was the best year, and they got slapped with the worst year.
Unless they're long on AMC, then they're doing pretty great.
If the ones that are long on AMC, they're having a ball. This is by far the best investment that they've ever made in the last 10 years. This is by far the best investment.
Yeah.
Well, unless you count shorting companies so far. Oh, this is the bomb.
Yeah, this is gonna be a great time. We're gonna be doing a lot more live streams, guys.
Hit that little bell. If you guys want to know when he goes live, hit that little bell to get that ding ding indication.
Mm-hmm. About 30 minutes ago, I didn't even know I was live. I had no idea. Rogue called me and he was like, "Oh, you're live," and I was like, "Oh boy."
Whoops. Yeah, learning how to do that is crazy. Actually, the first time that I went live by accident, I recorded half of a video and then I was like, "No, I don't like it." And then I pressed stop, and then I realized that I pressed stop streaming instead of stop recording, and I was just like, "Oh." I have to go to YouTube, make it private, take it off. Anyways, it's a learning experience.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. I mean, there's probably some other stuff that I'm missing on the stream that I should have. It's just not here right now.
You can put on music sometimes. I don't know if it has that option for you. Actually, let me see.
Let me look. Settings. Yeah, because you have background music, yeah?
In the morning.
He's sitting there. Yeah, I mean, what is it, 9:30 at night? We're just kind of hanging out now, testing out the stream.
Yeah, mic check. We can stream? No, we can't stream. Never mind. Let's not do that. Setting. High definition. Default.
The resolution looks low. It shouldn't be.
Go to your settings and see if it goes
Rogue is trying to get me to set. Rogue, if you're watching, I think I sent you a link.
Yeah, just jump in, buddy.
Oh, he's here. I couldn't see you. I didn't have you pulled up.
Okay, so you know what's funny
later.
is that he Short the Fix always sends a message like "hello" when he's here and I don't see him. That's good.
Yeah. Oh,
That's
I
good.
always pop up in the private chat. I'm just like, hey guys.
I heard. I was watching it in my family room. I was watching the stream, and then you said Rogue. And I'm like, all right.
Good guy.
Yeah, I
Just
sent
an
you
FYI.
guys a link. I'm not in
Just
the classic
FYI.
room. I had to move everything because my dad does work like right across, and this is like the only place in my house that you're not going to hear like a bunch of noise. But I was also sitting down here the other day. I think it was with Rogue, and there's like a furnace right here, so that could be a problem.
Hey, listen! Don't forget. Make sure you read the actual live chat because they're asking you questions, but I can't keep track of them.
Hey, did you tweet this out?
I did. I said I'm not in the classic room. I read it. Let me see.
Did you tweet this out?
I did. Yeah.
All right.
What's the play for tomorrow? I'm gonna try to get some more settled funds so I can buy more shares because I kind of just spent through them all over the last 2 days.
There you go. I am subscribed and had to hunt for you both tonight.
So
people are
I'm
saying that. People are saying that you have to turn on your super chat button.
How do I do that?
I couldn't even tell you, to be honest, but I think you need to go onto YouTube, go onto this video, and then press that little like radio button, and then see what happens. It's like the button. It's like the circle with the little echoes on either side of it.
Yep.
So
I thought it was just to do it.
Yeah, you'll get into the actual live.
Yeah, the circle with the lines next to it, or monetization.
No, that's not it. Oh, no, that's not it.
Because I was just in this.
Yeah, going to the actual live. Who's Gary Gensler? Who's Gary Gensler?
I don't know who Gary Gensler is. All right, hold on. Edit? No, here we go. Nope, I don't want to do that. Bing, bing, bing.
Guys, you can drop bulls in the chat. Short the Vix logo is a bull. You can.
That's what I was thinking that we're gonna do. Bulls in the chat.
Yeah, no bullshit.
That too. How do I do this? This is
Rogue. Long time no talk, buddy.
It's good that we're going through this now and not during market hours.
I'm just tweeting out.
That's what I would do if you guys were to like. If I ever figure out how to turn on super chats, I'm just gonna buy more AMC.
Oh, 100%. That's exactly what super chat goes to. It goes to the cause. 30% of it goes to YouTube, but then the rest of it goes to the cause. YouTube is shill in this organization. Okay. Jeff Saxton says. There we go. Got some bulls and some crayons in the chat. Okay.
Trial.
I might be onto something. Oh, jeez.
They just like swing in here. It's weird how the chat happens. It doesn't pop up one by one. It swings in.
Yeah, they all just kind of
different for you.
Well, how's it
for the host?
Yeah, because it scrolls in one by one. You can like scroll up and down through them and check them out.
Oh yeah, no, we just see it. It just zooms past you. I can't. It's like, there goes that comment. It's gone, and it's gone.
It
just
looks
like Dave Portnoy's investment to AMC.
He invested.
So I did turn them on, but I think it's
February.
probably gonna have to wait until tomorrow. That's what I'm guessing.
Tweet.
Make sure you don't have to get verified. I don't think I had to get verified.
No, to get verified, you need like a lot of stuff.
No, like what you have to do? Did you have to get like approved to go live?
It said it needed to take an hour, but what it says right now is like, let's look. It says you do not have access to viewer applause yet. Rest assured, it's coming soon. You'll be notified in your YouTube Studio dashboard when you have access.
Okay.
Is that just for Restream or is that YouTube?
No, that was YouTube. I was just trying to test it out and see, because now we're just hanging out. Do you guys have any questions about anything? That's usually what I feel like. This is going to be similar to a Twitter space where we just kind of we're off and on topic back and forth. But if somebody has like a pressing question,
I'm down.
Do it up.
Oh, apparently I have super chats now. Thank you.
There you go.
That was my first one.
Boom boom.
Very
It's not
clever.
candles.
That
What is
is-
it? Is boom boom chats? What's that?
Boom boom chats.
Boom boom super.
How do we get a,
Boom boom candle.
What's my backstory? Oh,
Clip
that's a
it.
cool one. So I started learning about stocks and investing when I was 14 years old on basically car rides, 45 minutes every single day to baseball practice. And so I was kind of off and on learning about it through all of those years. And what I always found really interesting was options, because it's like it I don't know why, it just interested me a lot. So when I was 18, I started my first account. I think I have a bunch of, or I don't anymore, but I used to have a bunch of AMD at like really low numbers. Now it's all in AMC. So yeah, and then I think in December I was doing a lot of trading and I was watching a lot of YouTube, and I was like, I feel like I could add some sort of value somewhere here. And I was going to give myself like 6 months to see if people actually wanted to hear what I had to say. And 6 months was like the end of May, and I think we hit 50,000. A little bit after that, we hit 50,000 this month. So,
boom, boom,
Boom.
candles.
he's older than 14. Yep, I am 22.
Boom, boom, candles. Wait, what they ask? What they say?
They said, "Wait, he's older than 14." I feel like that's Mike V, but he just changed his name.
It sounds like him. Sounds like him.
Yeah,
Boom.
That Mike V energy.
yeah.
Boom boom candle.
Gotta let
That's
these people
portrayed.
know.
Let's take a look. I actually want to take a look at the option chain for the end of this week. Okay, so
Oh, I can go in the actual
I like your background.
live.
Just the wood.
oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't do that. That was just
No, you did that. Just claim that. That was all you.
so.
That's
What do
what
you
I'm
guys
saying.
think about this $60 price level? Because TMI, how many times have we opened above it? See, that's the furnace. Can you guys hear that in the chat? You guys
Just a
hear
little
it?
bit. I heard it, and I didn't hear it.
Yeah,
I
I
can
heard
always
it
turn
kick
my
on.
mic down and then just yell.
I just heard it kick on, and that's it. I
Um,
can't really hear it now.
yeah. So, can you guys hear me though?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. Yeah, you're
Okay,
good.
cool.
You're good.
So this $60 level, I think, is important. It's not a price target or anything, but I do think that if we can cross 60 and stay there, I think that's going to be the next leg up.
Yep.
And we do have 30,000 contracts right here that you guys can see. I can't really zoom in on this. With a volume today of 53,000. So these are most likely going to keep going up throughout the week. And if we see these, well, it's Thursday now, so I never know what day it is. So tomorrow, if we see these jump up to, I don't know, 35,000 contracts, and we start to creep above 60 or creep really close to 60, that could give us some more buying volume going into the next week. Now, it's not going to be a giant gamma squeeze, but it could help us.
So I think, yeah, I'm typing in your live right now. Okay, there we go. I think I said what I had to say there. Okay, so I think that speaking to Stephanie Cameron yesterday.
Oh yeah, how was that?
That was good. That was very good. So I'm gonna release that video on the weekend. I was gonna do it today, and then I was like, Matt interviewed her today, so I was like, you know what? Let me just let it settle. Let me just wait a little bit. But she opened up a new perspective of bulls in the market, right?
Yep.
And she said that AMC has been an amazing stock to trade, and it wasn't what she said; it was how she said it. She said it like it was done, but she also said that she's waiting. So from what I was gathering from the conversation, I was looking at like, okay, you said it was a great stock to trade. I had a lot of volume, had a lot of upside. It was moving, and she holds shares, right? She's not like she sold or anything like that. She's holding shares, but she also has like a team of day traders, and they're waiting for it to break and hold 60.
Mm-hmm.
And she's like, because that's going to do one of a few things. Any algorithmic trading that happens, that's going to, I guess, look at that like a buy signal, will shoot it through the roof. Any market makers that have contracts that are way above that will start to hedge. Anyone that is a day trader will be signaled saying, okay, this is potentially the biggest bull signal you will have all year. Now's the time. Like what staying above 60 means is open season, which is freaking huge, because it's not just FOMO buying, because FOMO buying comes after all that. Like if this happens on a Friday, FOMO buying comes on the Monday or on the Tuesday. You know what I mean?
Right.
So
Right.
it's just like, she got excited about it. She's like, just wake me up when it holds above 60. Because when that happens, it's game time. It's game time.
And then we should probably I'll talk about this in the live tomorrow, but we should talk about the Citadel thing in Ecuador. So at the current time, it seems as if the Citadel in Ecuador, who is committing like securities fraud and doing market manipulation, is not the Citadel that we all know and love. So
coincidence? I think
there's
not.
another Citadel out there. Shocking. There's another Citadel doing some wild stuff. So just want to make
Citadel.
that clear to everybody.
Not the same Citadel, but they share the same name.
But they do share the same name. I got hit with that on my live this morning. I was just like, hold up. They're like, yeah, look, it just happened. Take a look at it. So I looked at it.
Yeah.
I was trying to read it through, and I was just like, I don't really want to get too far into it because I can't confirm it.
Right.
But
as of now, it's pretty much like they're not correlated. But if someone comes up with some DD or research and it actually shows that they are, and there you go. But for now, they're not.
Mike V, I see you in there. You can't hide. I know you changed your name.
Mike
Mike
guy sounds
would always
amazing.
make these funny jokes about me looking like a young Ben Shapiro, and I was like, okay. And how I was like 12 years old.
Let's see. Please read me on Citadel. Give me a minute.
One.
Yeah, where's that going?
I don't know.
I
Rich
don't know,
but the Citadel, the rest of the Citadel can be done tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't think,
but I don't think there really is much more. That's it. Like we gotta wait until it's disproven.
Yeah, I don't think short interest jumping up to 18 is really going to be the catalyst, because just because we see the reported short interest jump up doesn't mean that the shorts are now going to cover. But everything is starting to align. In my opinion, we have that collateral crisis going on with all of the institutions. The reverse repos are skyrocketing. We have all of these proposed rule changes that could potentially really help us. I like to think, I told Rogue this today, I like to think of the proposed rule streams as like, say you're eating like a really nice dinner and the AMC due diligence on the short squeeze is the main course. Now, the proposed rule changes are the sides. And if the sides are terrible, it doesn't really change that, like the fact that we still have an amazing main course. But if the sides are unbelievable, it just makes it that much better.
And I love that analogy. It's just such a great analogy.
How do I get the band hammer out here? How do we do that?
How? I don't know.
I think I see it. Uh-oh.
Why, do you see someone?
Uh-oh.
Dun, 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 dun,
Uh-oh,
dun,
it's
dun,
coming.
dun.
Oh, Ben, thank you, man. I'm going to buy a lot of AMC. You should buy more AMC too. You don't need to give me all these super chats at night, man. Thank you, though. I really appreciate that.
And the only thing is, for super chats, they're T plus 60, right? So
it's not a 21.
It's T plus 60.
Is it really?
Yeah. I mean, it's roughly like it's at the end of the following month, basically, right? So it's like T plus 30, depends on when it happens, right? But
yeah, is it the same thing that it is now for AdSense?
Yeah, it's all the same thing. It's all the same thing. But then it's like the share price 30 or 45 days from now is completely different than now.
Oh, that's the problem. Every single time, I don't know if you guys know this, every single time I get some settled funds in my account, I'll just get too excited at whatever price it is. And I'll think in my head, well, if I don't buy right now and I wait on it, it's going to go to like crazy numbers and I'm just going to have less shares. So I just blow my cash balance in one day. And most of the time it's happened, the stock will like drop the day before. It'll have one of those red days. And then the day that I can finally use the cash, it just rockets. So I'm just buying on these upswings and my average is getting killed. It's fine though. I'm still getting more shares.
You're FOMO buying. So this is.
Yeah, every single time I'm in like a Twitter space, I'll just be like, "Hey guys, I think I'm gonna FOMO.
At least you're honest about it. That's good. Yeah. Buying the rips, man. Buying the rips and just holding the dips.
Who the fuck is that?
Mike.
I'm not reading that.
Wait,
I
where
missed
is
it.
it, Rogue? Which one are you
It's
looking
all
at?
in caps. It's all in caps.
All right,
I think you'll know
hold
as soon as you see
Oh boy. Yep.
hold on.
Yep.
Hold on.
it. You seen it?
Oh, I saw it. That's cool. Bloomberg
Wait, what?
terminal. I actually, if
I
you
don't
guys
think
want to
you
see
read the
Bloomberg
right
terminal data, if you guys want to see Bloomberg terminal data, when I go back to school, I can just hop on one and we can do like, we wouldn't be able to do a stream, but if I
man.
go to Twitter space, I'll just have like, you guys can all come in and send me questions of stuff to just look up because I just have access to a bunch of Twitter or Bloomberg terminals at school.
They're saying don't blow your load too quickly.
On
Stocks.
on shares, it's really hard not to.
Don't say hard. Don't say hard. Don't take it and run
Welcome
with it.
to the late
see
night
fine,
chat.
Don't say take it.
I said slap the ask this morning, and then it just went
Don't bring
south.
that on me. Oh, Jackson watched a video, dropped a video. All right. OnlyFans? Nah, sorry.
Trades having we don't know. I'm not gonna speculate on that. I don't know.
Yeah, I thought that.
Yeah, we don't know about that.
I don't know. But like, hopefully Trey's doing good.
Yeah.
Honestly, I would hope.
Number for today, it was 813. I think it was. It was like it was either $1 million less than yesterday. I saw somebody make a joke. They were like, Wrench Capital is going to make a video about the reverse repos consolidating. I was like, that was funny. That dude loves consolidation.
Can you get Portnoy on?
Can we?
Yeah, let's call him up real quick.
I can talk to people who might be able to talk to people that could get in touch with him.
You know a friend? You know a guy who knows
I
a guy
know
who
a
knows
guy that knows a guy.
Yeah, one of my buddies used to run those Instagram accounts, like for colleges. So like he works for Barstool, but he runs their college Instagram accounts. So like there's a UConn Barstool, LSU Barstool, all of those.
Oh yeah, there's so many of those accounts.
Yeah, so he used to run a bunch of those for Barstool.
I can imagine that's a job. Yeah, there's so many of those freaking accounts. It's ridiculous. It's like there's honestly like
definitely
10,000.
not hating on Wrench Capital. That dude's amazing.
Who says he's hating? Who's hating? What?
No, this dude Nick. No, Nick, we're not. No, I love Wrench Capital.
Hey guys, can hedge funds not cover shorts in dark pool? Can you please explain how that would work? Thank you.
Okay, so we can do my dark pool theory, and I think we should just say it.
I don't know if that's how you want to start off the.
Well,
Yeah,
they can cover us. If they can meet a buyer to cover some of their shorts in the dark pool, yes, they can cover in the dark pool, but it's not going to be nearly enough to take out their position. And with the synthetics, you have to think about who owns them. So if they have a wild short position, then they're gonna have to go. They're gonna have to eventually come to us to buy all of those shares. So them covering in the dark pool, it's even if they are right now, it's not going to last forever.
So in short, yes. In short, that's hilarious. In short, yes, they can. And then the long version of it is not nearly enough to make this go away.
Super chat. Invest this so you can buy a car when you turn 16.
Oh my goodness. They really get at you with that. It's still Mike? It's still Mike?
It's definitely Mike. Okay, I'll buy a car when I turn 16. I would just have to, if the car is a DeLorean, then I can go back in time.
Hedge bot alert.
STV, been a fan for a while. Been in this place since 450. XXX shareholder playing the calls, only added shares. Just wanted to say thanks, man. Thank you, Ben. I really appreciate that.
It's awesome.
Hey, Mike, I just answered. I'm going to get a DeLorean. I'm going to go back to when I'm 16 and then buy a car. All good.
There you go.
Charlie said he found on FINRA over 100% of shorts.
Yo, where?
Short the VIX, buy, holds, repeat. Yeah, that's what I do. Not ever financial advice. I saw somebody ask if I had a Discord. I don't. I might make one in the future. It will probably be free or very low cost. And the reason why I haven't made one like a paid feature is I trade a lot of options and they're extremely risky, especially the ways that I trade them. So I really do not want people to be coming into like my Discord and then being like, okay, I'm just going to buy like 30% of my portfolio of whatever this dude said, and then it expires worthless, which is I expect to happen on most of those trades.
It's all right though. This is why we put the plan in place.
Exactly.
Mysterious answer. Mysterious answer.
How come public like Webull you can share your portfolio but not on YouTube? I don't really understand that one.
Oh, shout out to Chris Burton. I haven't really been looking at names here. I'm just kind of reading these comments because they go so quickly when you can't scroll up and down. It's ridiculous. I do
That's
not.
why I pull it up on YouTube.
Look, where I think YouTubers should have free speech too. I agree. There are a couple things we cannot say.
Shout out to Becky. Shout out to Tipsy.
Can I be a mod?
Shout out to Chris Burton.
Can be a mod. I've definitely seen you in here before. TMI, do you know this person?
Shout out to Hella Bliss. What's her name? What's her name?
Tipsy.
Oh, Tipsy's my mod. Yeah, Tipsy. So Tipsy.
Oh, perfect.
Hella Bliss.
Vegas. You want to be a mod?
Vegas.
How do I?
What was that? Vegas. Is that VCW?
Yeah, I got
Chef Andrew.
Okay, the other one.
Yeah. Hey, you want to get the same mod squad? I got a pretty solid mod squad.
Is Vegas Chef Andrew one of your mods? I like him a lot.
Make it one of your mods. You don't have to pick exclusively those who
short the VIX. It kind of makes sense to have the same mods.
It does make
more mysterious.
I have heard of public. You can. It's essentially like it's like they're combining social media and investing, right? That's kind of their deal. So you can kind of talk to people, but you see everyone's positions and what they're doing. Have you guys heard of public?
I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to read your chats this whole time. People are pissed.
Yeah, someone told you to mod their wife.
How do I do that? Anytime, Tipsy. How much? Okay, public subs. Okay.
Meet Kevin started promoting. Whoa. What do you mean?
Oh, public. Yeah, he's got I think he does Tiblio too, which we're gonna start doing.
Oh, I didn't even think about the.
Bro, can you say something in the chat so I can make you a mod?
Okay, but Gio just said, just don't let Rogue be the mod. He's just gonna throw wrenches at people.
I told Rogue at the very beginning that he was gonna be a mod so he could whip out the banhammer because I'm just gonna be too nice.
I can't see who said that. Someone's like, you can mod me and swim in my dark pool. I don't know.
I don't want to be swimming in any dark pools.
Banhammer.
Wow, too much bull going on. You said the same thing like 5 times. I've seen you. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm about to jump in this too. Yo, mod me. Mod me up.
I will.
Get him.
Oh, here we go, Rogue.
You got to jump in this too.
Yeah, we're gonna be a lot more serious tomorrow. This is kind of like a test stream where we're just kind of hanging out, seeing what's going on. But yeah, I think maybe Jackson Hunter might come on tomorrow. I was talking to him. TMI, if you're not busy with work. Rogue, and then
don't worry, they're gonna fire me anyways. Let's do this.
Run it, dude. And then let's get Big Dog West. Definitely Randall too. Yeah, oh, this actually is a face reveal on this channel.
Oh, yes, it is. 100%.
Title.
Yeah, that should probably be in the maybe tomorrow. I don't know.
Just tell people to forget that this happened right now. And
this
we're gonna have to do the Men in Black thing.
After this is over. Yeah, after this is over, Short to Fix is turning it off. He's deleting it.
Yeah, after this, done. No more due diligence.
Yep, it's gone. All right, I typed in banhammer.
Hold on. Do we have why is that not collusion? Anthony, I'm not really sure what you mean by what you're talking about with the collusion. With public and meet Kevin, I'm not really sure. He's just promoting it from what I know. It's like a Webull link, getting people to sign up. I really don't think it's like very hard to say you're colluding. How do you feel about the interview with Matt today? The Stephanie Dark Pool lady? The information was awesome. I watched that. That was great.
Mm-hmm. The information on the Dark Pool was awesome.
Information was great.
Hey, I see TMI in there. He said, "Boom, boom."
How else?
wait,
How
boom,
else?
boom, wrench.
How else do you? What else do you think about that interview, Rogue?
Bro, what are you talking about?
What else do you think about?
Oh, thank God! I thought I banned TMI for a second. That would have been bad.
I don't know if would I be able to just jump out of this restream. I don't know what would happen. Oh my gosh.
What can we expect for tomorrow? Okay, so it's a Friday. Typically, when we have a lot of options like in the money or really close, we tend to see red days. But with this week, the only thing that I see, again, let me pull it up. That's the wrong date. Let's see. This is being a little slow. It's the 60s right here at 30,000, and there's nothing really crazy that you can see here on the open interest in the money. So what they'll probably try to do is just keep it below 60. And then going into next week, we're probably not going to see much on this option chain when we get down to, let's see. Oh my, what is this? Yeah, we're going to have to figure out how to not have this lag out. Yeah, 10,000 at 60. When we see these weekly options expiration dates, you typically don't see a crazy open interest or volume. They typically happen on the monthly options expiration dates, where everything goes. What are you saying? What happened? Hold on, I was. Where am I looking? What happened?
I think Rogue's just having fun in the live chat with everybody else right now.
Yeah, we're having a good time.
This is like a what's it called? Like a soft launch.
Yeah,
like a soft opening.
And then you came.
Yeah, I just said funny seeing you here, TMI.
Yeah, this was honestly an accident. The first one, I know a couple of you guys saw it. Rogue was like, there's like 200 people in your live right now. And I was like, oh no, when I hit the live button, I actually went live.
Yeah, when you went live with it, and it was funny too, because it was like 1 minute and 17 seconds that you were live. You know?
Yeah.
Master Chief. So yeah, within that minute, you had 200 people pop in.
That's insane.
They were like, Short the Vix is live. Click.
Yeah, I did. I mean, I did say I was going to go live tomorrow, but that was an accident. Sorry about that. It was just me, just like this, just silent.
I know, you were staring off over there. I was like,
because that's where my second stream.
This is not normal.
I got this like 2 days ago. We're going for it. Also, TMI, thank you for helping me figure out how to set this up. If you guys in my chat are not following The Masked Investor on YouTube, and what is your Twitter the same?
Yeah.
And then
Twitch just Masked Investor.
Yeah. So it's The Masked Investor on YouTube and then Masked Investor on Twitter. Definitely go follow these boys.
And then Rogue Legacy on
volume. I think.
Can you rehypothecate volume?
I would love to rehypothecate volume if it was real volume, but like
number 300 to like.
Hey.
Oh shoot! Hold on. Who the? You got 12 dislikes in this. There's 12 shows in here.
Wait, hold on. What just happened?
We got 12 dislikes. Why?
It's
Why?
normal. It's normal for lives. It's normal for lives. Yeah, people feel a certain way about one thing you say. They're like, well, now the rest of the 3 hours is all. Yeah, it's like, get out of here.
There's a podcast that I watch where they have people vote by clicking the like and dislike button. So they're just like, yeah, screw it, we don't care.
Bro, from the time that we talked about the fucking dislikes, it went up to it's at 6. Okay, now it's at 16.
Hey, can you guys not do that, please?
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't beg for it. Just let it be. Just don't even address it. Trust me, it makes it worse.
I don't care. This is
no matter how it feels. Yo, I've had like 1,200 likes on a. Well, you had a lot of likes, but the 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 20. No matter how many dislikes it is, you always know that exact number. I was just like, who are these 20? Who are these 20 shows in here?
Whoever's got 22 other accounts, can you not?
Now they're just gonna do it. You could run it, like it doesn't matter at this point.
No, there's a lot of them that are just screwing with you and they're going back and forth.
Yeah, you guys can do whatever you want. It's fine.
You can do whatever you
Hold
want.
your dislikes.
'Cause honestly, I'm not gonna look. Like I've got over the past like week and a half or 2 weeks, there are so many shills coming into my comment sections, and it's insane. I'll read the comments and try to respond to you guys as much as I can. But with this, when you combine like the bots that just come in, and then all of the people that are just like AMC's terrible, it's like okay, this isn't even worth looking at. That's why I'm over on Twitter a lot now. Yeah, check out Charlie. I will definitely look at Charlie's new video.
You want to pull it up?
You want to watch it here? I mean, if you guys, I don't want to have all these people watch it and then not and then it's just one view. So if you guys want to go watch it, go watch it.
Oh, I see what you're saying. You're supporting him. I get you.
Yeah,
I get you. I get you.
Yeah. Because
Creators supporting creators.
Yeah, if it's good info, go watch it. Leave a like, comment.
Yeah, I will only dislike if you.
Hold on. Where is this?
Yo, your live chat is crazy,
bro. What is going on?
I can't see it all. There's a lot. I don't know how Matt does this, man. That's why he doesn't read the live chat. I don't think because there's just too many coming.
Stop.
Hold on. I can't. I don't know what you're looking at, so it's hard. Wait, maybe if I pull up Restream.
No, I think it was the words you just got to do. God. You decided to use.
Me?
Bo's like, hey, it's definitely TMI and Rogue that hit the dislike on the video.
Oh, yeah.
TMI.
Yeah,
I like
14
your
other
videos, all of
accounts.
my accounts. Rogue, you need to start creating on YouTube. It's
Thank
just a
you.
different
You're just gonna put me out. You're gonna literally put me on blast.
Rogue, how long did we talk on the
right.
phone today for? We talked on the phone for like 45 minutes. I was like, listen, man, we need you out there. We need you out there.
Oh god.
Why? All right, now I see what you guys are looking at.
It is wild. You know, it could be because late.
Yeah, that's fine.
Maybe
it's much more tame than a
And
Twitter.
listen, so I think.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Let me just. Okay.
you just ban someone.
Gotcha.
TMI's first ban.
Oh, I didn't ban somebody. Who did I ban?
You're banning people? Is Charlie Zip Trader? Oh, are you guys talking about Charlie in the vids or Zip Trader? I mean, I'm guessing that if it's a FINRA thing, it's Charlie in the vids.
I think they might be talking about Charlie Zip Trader, or maybe both of them. Maybe they're the same person.
There are some clues. What is wrong, Sean? I'm not sure what you mean by that. If you watched Trey's video yesterday, there are some clues that something's wrong. Will we get a daily report as to how many shares are shorted due to the new DTCC rule? No, we will not. What are you? If you're talking about NSCC 002, that is essentially going to be a daily calculation of basically the margin requirements. So if you're massively over leveraged in a position and they see that, instead of doing it around the monthly options expiration dates, they're going to do it every single day. So it's going to be a lot harder for them to hide.
Okay, so it was Charlie in the vids.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll definitely go watch that later. If we can prove, I mean, I don't know how we can. If it's like the OTC or dark pool data, we've been over that that was like something that came out when everybody was talking about like the FINRA dark pool data. That was like my first couple weeks talking about AMC on YouTube. And that's kind of what got me into it, the dark pool stuff, because I read that book when I was in high school. If you guys want to read it, it's Flash Boys.
If you remove your mask, will you die? Yes.
Yeah.
That's just pretty plain and simple. If I remove my mask, it's
you guys
all
have
over.
heard TMI's intro?
You take off your mask, would you die?
It would be very
It would
painful.
be extremely painful.
It will be extremely painful.
Vegas.
So no one is over leveraged as of today. Well,
What?
Not necessarily. We have the margin debt in the United States at $822 billion. We know that they need collateral because of all of the reverse repos, and there's too much cash out there, which turns into a liability on the bank's balance sheet because they're paying interest on it. But there's not going to be like a news heading that says, hey, this person's over leveraged. Like, and it's not necessarily going to make them cover. It's like a margin. Right. You can either close out your position or add cash to your account. Not dark pool off exchange data is 90%. It's crazy. Yeah. That means so I think what they're getting at is that they're not. So when we make an order on one of these brokerages like Robinhood, and it's like a payment for order flow platform. When the order gets to the market maker, they are not supposed to, but they get to decide where the order goes. So they can either send it directly to the exchange, which is what they're supposed to do, or they can hold it, which creates a synthetic position, and then they can just send it to the dark pool. So a lot of the orders that we make, which I was talking to somebody about this the other day. I don't think I told you guys about this. That is a really big lawsuit. And there's a couple of class actions going right now that I think we've all seen. But I'm under the impression that my orders are being filled on the exchange. And they're just not.
Yeah.
Are you guys still reading the live chat? Is it wild?
Yeah, so is there actually a way to ban people if you're a mod? Because I don't think there is. I tried.
I think you can just time out. I can ban people. Maybe I only have the ban.
I think you're the only one that's able to actually ban them because it's your channel. So
I can hide the users on the channel.
Oh, okay.
See, that's what I've been doing.
Is that like a soft ban then? Is that what that is?
AMC market share on.
You just here. Let me test this out on Rogue real quick.
Oh, okay. No, what I was saying. Off exchange short volume is 90%, and regular. Phoenix are rehypothecating shares. They are rehypothecating.
Where's Sunny?
That's how the short interest, Robin. That's how the short interest gets above 100%. So let's say I'll do this really quickly, so then we can be less serious at night. But say I'm the institution, I loan shares to TMI. TMI then sells them to Rogue. So TMI is the hedge fund. Sells them to Rogue, the retail investor. TMI has a short position. Rogue owns the shares. But then Rogue's broker can then go lend out those shares again to another hedge fund, and then they can sell them to another retail investor. So it creates this situation where Rogue owns the shares, another person owns the shares, and it just keeps going.
And then I want to sell the share.
90%.
So what happens when I want to sell the share, though? Short?
It becomes if you can, because you technically own it. So it just becomes this massive IOU.
It's the IOUs.
Trying to figure out where everything's going. Thank you, Daryl. I really appreciate that. If you have a question, just drop it in the chat.
TMI is the hedgy? For this?
Every single time I say that example, I have to make it clear that I still very long on AMC.
I can neither confirm nor deny these claims.
That's why I put on the mask.
That's it. I don't know where Sunny is, but next time I see Sunny, be careful out here. You're gonna get banned. I feel like I have a lot of control again with being a mod in somebody else's chat. I promise to serve and protect your live chat.
Ape Father's in here? Is that
I already banned like 4 people.
Well, you're on a roll. Okay, I gotta catch up.
I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
I gotta catch up.
I'm joking. You guys are nuts.
Someone say something crazy. Joking. Someone say something crazy. Do
you mind what, Charlie? Why was Charlie? I don't know.
I didn't even mute anybody on your channel yet. All right. So
it could be true. Like the whole rehypothecation thing. It's like two different things. It's the example that I just explained, and then also the large institutions when they're like need collateral. Say it's Goldman Sachs. And you have a $100 million investment account that Goldman Sachs manages for you. If Goldman Sachs wants to, they can essentially use that money as their own collateral. They just say, yeah, we have $100 million to use as our own collateral, and then they post it. They're not supposed to do that, but they do.
TMI's the hedgy
Sonny,
now.
But
TMI's the Hey,
Sonny says there's other people.
Ape Father? Who is Ape Father? I feel like that name sounds really familiar.
I don't know. Actually, hey, do you know this Hugh guy? Can you read his name and his question?
I won't read the name, but anyone else looking to make profits off? No, we are not actually. To bring home to AMC, I'm sticking with AMC right now.
AMC is my portfolio.
Is the name Sunny Day Tea Factory? Is that the same person?
It might be.
Sunny Delight?
Sunny Delight.
Kenny's sunscreen is SPF mayo? What?
Well,
What is that? Another mayonnaise joke? I made a tweet one time.
Wait. Is this where it came from? Is it stemming from you?
Rogue and I were laughing so hard because on one of my tweets, people just kept commenting these jars of mayonnaise, and we had no idea what was going on.
Yeah, he was so upset about it. It's so funny.
I think that was one of the nights that I was just exhausted, and I was like, I can't.
He was like, "Why are they doing
Oh,
this?
Barry.
What is the point?"
TMI. Look up. I don't know if it's there on your thing yet, but somebody said to say their name.
Yeah, say
What?
their name.
Yeah,
Huh?
say their name. It might go away soon, but
I'm reading the actual live chat.
his name's Barry. Vix,
name's
do you
Barry?
remember the cookout? I know. You guys are creating new YouTube accounts right now?
Wait. Kenny's sunscreen is SPF mayo.
Yeah.
Oh,
Someone
that's
said,
good.
"Why mayo?"
Oh my god, you guys are nuts. This is what we're gonna have so much fun tomorrow during market hours. You guys, either way.
I'm not saying Barry's name.
We're gonna have a
Barry's
great
first name is funny, but his second name is too much. It's just too much. It's just too much.
Barry, if I was like really in a joking mood, I would make you a mod. But
Don't.
sorry,
Okay, I
dude.
should have not made a comment on that. You don't have to get. Whoa.
They say their name, TMI.
Whoa.
What?
This is getting wild. Okay, do you see what I said? You see what I said?
Where are you?
No.
I can't see you.
Yeah, you gotta figure out how to
The
use this.
screen is like the second screen is like dark for some reason. I think it's because it was good today. I think it's the lighting.
Bro, can you see it?
See what?
Did you ban yourself?
No, the chat,
I can see it. Can you?
Him?
the private chat.
Oh, hold on. Let me look.
Yeah, okay. So I was like, I don't know if this is the same way it works over there. If there can still be like interaction, if there can still be like a conversation, but I think so, but I'm not sure. Not now. Just like,
yeah, exactly.
I'm thinking about like this conversation. I was just like, this is
We
definitely
do a lot. Oh, you know what we can actually do, TMI? That would almost be better. We just do it on YouTube because you can do member streams. So we could just do this, and it's just for members. So it's the same thing as.
So you wouldn't would you not get kicked though if you say something crazy? That's the only thing.
Oh, it's not public.
Yeah, you gotta really trust what you got. You gotta really trust. Like we're still having this conversation live, so just be aware of that. People are listening right now, but like,
yeah, I've restrained myself from saying like multiple things.
Yeah. I'm reading the comments and I'm like, this is gonna go left.
This
Stop
is
putting
already went
peaches.
left.
Thank you, Crumbs.
Stop tweeting peaches
Stop
and telling
tweeting-
me to say your name because I'm not gonna do it.
JP, I drink so much caffeine, it's crazy.
Do you actually?
I used to. It's all pre-workout. Like in the morning, I'll have like a rain.
Do you just have pre-workout and not go to the gym? Like, do you just like
I've
just
done
get
it,
off the
I've
energy?
done it before by accident.
Stop lying. You did it on purpose. Wait, did you actually?
Oh, hold on, I'm trying to think. There has to have been a time where I've done it.
I mean, I was just kidding, but now I'm like, you probably
No,
did.
I've definitely done it on purpose one time and not. But I've like taken it, gone to the gym, realized that I do not have enough time, and then just leave. What's up with the Citadel that got raided? It's so. This is nuts, but the Citadel that got raided for market manipulation and fraud is
In
not
Ecuador.
the Citadel that we're looking for, if that makes sense. They're
Not the
different.
same one. It's just the same name, same, but different.
Exactly. It's like, okay, now there's just two terrible Citadels out there.
Same, but different.
Huh.
It's too many. No, I don't. No, it's like 300 milligrams of caffeine. It's fine. I've done like, there was a time where I was doing like 500 milligrams of caffeine, and that was not smart, but here we are, still going.
Yep. Oh, you see that comment about the Citadel securities and what you were showing me earlier
Which one?
with the senior research engineer.
Oh yeah,
Citadel
okay.
Securities.
So whoever's saying that, the Carlos guy at that guy, the problem is that when you look at in that article where it says, let me see if I can pull it up. I think this will work. Perfect.
Oh, brightness.
How the hell you already got it pulled up?
Oh, I just leave stuff up. I'm terrible at see, everybody comments sometimes on my ads. They're like,
oh, so
Mix has heartburn and shops at Nike, and I'm like, I don't know.
Be careful with the pop-up ads because anything can pop up, and if you get one of those bad ones.
Yeah. Okay, so this
one of them bad ones.
What everybody was talking about. Can you guys see this? All right. I think that's fine, right? Maybe I'll make it a little bigger.
Yeah,
a little bigger. Yeah, make it a little bigger.
Oh
okay.
my
God. So it says oh, is it really bright? I'll just do it quick. Former general manager at this place.
One sec.
Place. So he's the former general manager here, and when you look at his LinkedIn, that's not listed. So most likely not the same guy.
Yeah.
Are all three of you waiting to vote? I already voted.
Well, I already voted. You want to know why? Because 25 million is a drop in the bucket, just like how they dumped 30 million, Wanda did, and we ate those up, and we only dropped $2 to $4. What the hell is 25 million gonna do?
Yeah,
not for me. Thing. Also,
I
it's
really
not
do
till
not
next
care
year.
how you vote. Just vote.
Yeah, 100%. If you don't want it, go ahead, vote no. If you do want it, go ahead, vote yes. But I'm just telling you flat out that it's not immediately going to go into effect, and it's for next year, as well as it's not really going to do what you're expecting it to do. It's not going to tank the stock. It's not. It's just it's not viable. It's just not going to happen.
Yeah, I mean, it's nobody's business how you voted, and I honestly 100%. I haven't said this yet, but I did not want this AMC vote situation in the AMC community turning to how it's been in our the division that's been in our country for the last year. Vote how you want. It doesn't matter as long as you vote. You did your job as a shareholder. That's how
let me just piggyback off that and say before there was a little bit of division because of the 500 million shares that were possibly going to be diluted, and Adam Aaron took those off the table, and now he's just asking for the 25 million, which would be still next year. But the point is that it went from 500 million shares being added to only 25 million. So again,
I just saw somebody say the last dilution was less than 25 and killed all of our momentum. Well, maybe, but when you look at what happened when they announced the closing of the 48? That was the number 48 or 43 million. We ripped.
And also it was later identified that what was the corporation Mudrick? Mudrick did not make those comments, and what came out of Bloomberg was not accurate.
Rogue and I were talking about that the entire day, because when you read that Bloomberg article about Mudrick, it was like, hey, there's not actually it cited a person with knowledge on the matter, and then Mudrick never came out and actually made a statement. So I still believe that Mudrick it's possible that they didn't sell. I'm waiting for a filing to tell me for sure. I don't want Bloomberg to be.
And we have to wait freaking 2 months from the time that happened to actually find out.
On the other side, though, there were rumors that Mudrick sold a lot of those $40 calls. So it's also possible that eventually they got exercised, but we were below 40 when they did it. So I don't really know how that argument applies. I was just
also, aren't they supposed to go and file a 13G just like Wanda did when they sold off 30 million?
That's it. If I think a 13G is only when you own 5% of a company.
Yeah,
I thought Mudrick did.
So the reason why it's 5% is because of RKS Capital. They never own more than 5%. They just leverage 2.5, 3.5, 4.5 from 10 different banks. So they were able to get that same amount of leverage without triggering any filings. And then when they open the books, they're like, oh shoot. And then they hit the bed.
It's kind of flipped the script on the whole rehypothecation thing, because that's technically what they did. They used the same collateral at different institutions.
Exactly. But the only thing is that it was a family-run institution.
Okay, I see a bunch of chats coming in, and they're saying well, one of them in particular said, "Oh, it would hinder the squeeze." Listen, it's not going to hinder the squeeze. Nothing like, okay, let's just imagine this for a second. 25 million shares is put into the open market. Now they're bought up. You no longer have to worry about the 25 million. Onward. That's it. It's like,
Yeah, and you know what, guys? Honestly, when it comes down to
What's
this, and
that?
we should probably move off of the vote conversation because it's
you don't have to tell anyone how you vote. You guys vote how you want, and you don't even have to discuss it. That's your
but
prerogative.
listen, I'll put it this way because I can see that there's a lot of people that are probably saying, no means no, and that's fine. That's fine. But this is my opinion. This was my opinion before all the all this new information came out. I shouldn't say new information, but since the silverback gorilla, given a little bit of respect, started tweeting out information, right? They got what they needed to survive for the next 2 years. They have enough cash flow. Personally, I was saying I'm going to vote no. And if we squeeze first, I will personally hand deliver my vote to the silverback CEO himself, and we can do whatever the hell he wants to do with the stock. Yeah. Whatever he wants to do. So listen, guys, listen. If you guys are all seeing no in the chat and you also feel like you're saying, and you also feel like you're going to vote no, then you got nothing to worry about. Because if everyone votes no, there's not going to be any shares. Like I haven't heard like a bulk of people saying, everyone, yes, let's dilute. Like no one cares. No one cares. We all know what we want. We want to squeeze, so we're good to go. That's it. Mm-hmm. Like I don't think it's going to be that much of a difference either way. But if it means that much to you and you feel that way, chances are it means the same thing to so many other people, like so many other apes out there. We're good. Everyone wants to squeeze that. Right?
I do want to clarify. Like, I voted no. I don't want them either. But I'm just stating facts about it.
If you say yes, I'm not gonna vilify you.
You go ahead.
Exactly.
That's fine. It's everyone's prerogative. You guys vote however you want.
Yeah, I might not talk to you for a week. Yeah, but that's just me though. Sometimes I can be a dick. I apologize.
And again, it's not going to come into like effect. Like they won't actually be able to have the 25 million shares until next year.
Exactly.
And a lot of people are thinking it's supposed to happen before then.
What the hell is going on?
You saw that PMI finally?
Yeah.
I think I know which one you're talking about. That's why I laughed. Why am I so far away? Dude, there's like 8 million screens. There's like so many big screens here. I need to sit far away so I can see them.
Listen, I'll tell you guys the truth, okay? If you guys want some real change, vote TMI for president of CEO. President and CEO of AMC. I'm going to talk to Silverback himself. I'm going to become his successor. After a few different quarters, he's going to, take me through the ropes, and he's going to replace himself with me. I'll take over. It'll be, very gentlemanly. Like we're not going to do anything crazy. So if you want real change, TMI is your guy.
What are you going to change?
There you go.
Well, first things first, I'm going to change that 25 million share dilution to 250. I think this guy just took his gas off the pedal. He needs to go for that 250. Okay, I'm just kidding.
Oh my God.
Wow.
What are you doing?
Everyone relax.
Yo, everyone in the chat is pretty much turning on you now. Just wait.
Wait, hold on a
we're
second.
just going to see a flooding of comments.
How did my last video just get 50 dislikes? It's like, what? Oh my gosh.
That's great.
He's not happen before 4 months from now. We don't know when it's going to happen. Nobody knows. We have no idea how high it can go. We have no idea when it's going to happen. If you ask me when the squeeze is, I'll probably say tomorrow. And then this is what Loco says on Twitter. He's like, anytime somebody asks him the question, he's like, if you ask me when the squeeze is, I'll tell you tomorrow. And if you ask me again tomorrow, I'll tell you tomorrow again. And he'll just keep doing it. But no, that's not me saying it's tomorrow. Everybody go say that.
Whoever SFG Sports just called me a dumbass. After that statement, I deserve it. So I'm not going to kick you for that. I'll give you respect for that. If you hear somebody saying something stupid like that, you call them out. You call them out every single time. Every single time.
Call
That's
them out.
Exactly what you should do.
Mike, you're
feelings.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Free beer tomorrow.
Vice president
For vice. Whoa. Who said vice?
Somebody said vice. I'm just reading the chat now.
Whoa. It's not a TV show.
Oh, shit.
It's not Veep. 1 second here. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
tough.
exactly. Eventually, we'll be right. Short exempt rules over here. Yes.
Oh, look, it's people coming for you, Ro. People coming for you.
No.
I think they're asking you to kick them.
Nah. We're all cool. Whoever said that, no, I like you.
See, it's a different level over here. It's a different level. I like this spot. Yeah, you know what?
This is good. It's all good.
I think I'm gonna have a different color for this room specifically.
Yeah, you're pretty.
What do you mean a
the room's
different
pretty
color?
dark, but I also can't really.
I think I'm gonna go green.
Things
I'm gonna
got
go
blurry.
green for short the VIX.
What's up?
Yo, did you see him just change his color in the background?
I think when I'm on this channel, it has to be green.
Oh, I'm on. Yeah, now I can see it because I'm looking. I think there's a delay on the stream.
Oh, there definitely is. Yeah. I have two screens going, and the stream's definitely behind. But I think it's because it's better that way.
I can be the ambassador. The ambassador to what? Somebody just said that I can be an ambassador, but I don't know what I'm being an ambassador to.
You're gonna be the ambassador of
Oh,
AMC.
be careful when you ask that question because you know what's coming next.
What?
Probably an emoji, an inappropriate one.
I'm gonna fall for that.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
much.
Look. There it is.
D's nuts.
Oh, like clockwork.
Yeah.
TD Ameritrade won't let me sell my settlement at 100K.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to. I think there's a threshold. You have to wait until it actually gets up to a certain price point. Then you can put up those.
Look. Do you see that?
Dude, these streams are fun. I can't wait to do this during market hours when the stock is actually like.
Bro, you're gonna have a lot more people in here than 600.
Yeah. You should definitely. Okay, hold on a second. You should probably figure out, like tonight, some additional mods because if you do it in the middle of the day, it's gonna be wild.
Yeah, but
it's different.
But I feel like there's like I don't know. Maybe
now there's a lot of people streaming. Like I saw what's his name streaming AMC as well today. Keenan.
Oh, he was.
He was streaming AMC at 9:15 this morning.
Nice. Yeah,
he was streaming it. And Matt Kors was streaming it, and I think there was two other people also streaming AMC live. And I was just
what about Mo Money? He was probably streaming.
He's probably streaming as well. You're right. Yep. So maybe one other person.
Yeah, I'm gonna go from 11:30 Eastern probably to like 2 or 2:30 Eastern, so we can do a stream, get the live updates, and then you guys can still get a video at like 4:15, or like basically right after market close is how I'm thinking we're gonna do it, and then we'll all hop over on TMI.
There you go. Claybro is live. There you go.
Cool.
Even me, Kevin did a stream.
Did a stream.
It's a lot. But what you guys
Kevin's not doing streams anymore.
Yeah, what you guys need to focus on is at 11.
Shit. Even Portnoy did a stream. Literally after. It was on Twitter.
I was saying that people need to realize that, it's great to go follow all those people on the stream, but this is where you guys want to be. When it's 11 or 11:30 and it's midday mix, you want to be over here. This is where it's at. It's at. Best. Oh my God. This is.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Oh, shout out to the Hobbit. It's a live.
Oh, I just saw that one. Is there?
It's getting wild.
Players up top. Okay, hold on a second.
Yeah, I mean, I could do I could do daytime, but I can't do all day. I could probably do all day long, but we'll see. I like making videos for you guys because I like going deep. Stop. Okay. Stop. I like to do the deep dives into like the due diligence.
Oh my God. Let me ask you a question. Actually, you know what?
So yeah, I do like making the videos. Also, the streams will be like an opportunity that it doesn't sound like I'm yelling at all of you. And I don't say video, important, and information 8,000 times in the video.
Hey guys, welcome to this video.
The impressions of me get me every time. They're always funny.
Yeah, on the phone, I'm just like...
Wait, is that a yes?
A yes for what? I can't. I got to go back over.
How many screens do you have up right now? Hold on. Is Ape Father actually here?
Is Ape Father on Twitter?
Oh, shoot. We're going to Vegas. Okay.
Oh,
No
yeah.
wonder this guy's live streaming now. He's like, I got nothing better to do anymore. Forget this shit.
Nah, I told Rogue, you know what I was doing tonight?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, whoa, hey.
Whoa.
I had dinner.
Yeah, you
Oh.
had dinner.
I still feel like that's still going to come off the wrong way, but I know what you mean.
I went to eat dinner.
Yeah, no,
Like,
I
hey,
heard you.
dinner.
Everybody's always going to take things I say the wrong way.
100%. I'm just looking at this chat. I'm like, even when it's just talking about stocks, it still comes off the wrong way.
Wonder if that T+21 data is going to come out tomorrow. It's not really data. T+21 is just a time frame. GME is added to Russell tomorrow. Both of these could be a great.
Oh, is that tomorrow?
Yeah, it could be.
Hey.
Because then they're going to have to short two different ETFs now. They can't just
Yes.
attack one and get AMC and GameStop.
Exactly.
100%. So they rebalance their books tomorrow.
What did you
And
have? Salad?
You won't actually see anything until Monday, probably.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another very important episode.
Hold on, where is that? I want to see it. Where is that?
Be like,
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another very important video.
I don't know what it is about when I do a video. It's like this switch in my head that is like speak in the weirdest way possible, and I can't control it. It's terrible. I say information, video, and important 1,000 times.
okay, so listen.
Yeah.
Let's do something like that where we actually play the game that we were talking about while we watch one of your videos. Let's do that. I don't know
Someone
when.
said.
Let's figure that out.
Someone just said that VIX is my Russell 1000 with the eggplant emoji.
Dude, you guys are nuts. They're posting on Reddit. One of the dudes arrested in Ecuador actually worked for Citadel Securities. Okay. I just pulled that up. When you look, the problem is that in that article they say the name is Carlos and then the first initial of his last name.
Right,
So
is C, and it doesn't actually say his full name, so you can't just assume that that's the same person.
So yeah, and then when you look at there's a key piece of that article. It says he worked at like day something, whatever is mentioned in there, up until 2021. But when you look at that specific guy's LinkedIn page, it says he's been working at Citadel for like the last 5 years or something. So he's not there. But I could be wrong. That's the reason why I deleted the video today, because I thought it was Citadel because it's Citadel market manipulation. But at the same time, there was also evidence against it. And I didn't want to spread misinformation because that video was going. And I was like, this is going to gain traction. And I do not want people freaking out about.
Yeah, I remember you called me. You're like,
I called bro. And because we were talking about this like in the morning. So everybody was kind of on the same page. And then I posted the video and I saw like a couple comments that were like, it's not the same Citadel. And I was like, oh no. Because sometimes I'll see those comments and it's just people trying to start stuff. But
hey guys, just FYI, Hello Bliss is definitely not a shill. Definitely not a shill.
Definitely not. I think that deserves a timeout just for
that. Becky's
well,
like,
Hello
do
Bliss
not
said it's.
How do I do that? Put user in timeout. I think I did it. I clicked the button. The problem is I'm gonna accidentally mod people sometimes.
No, that's okay. That happens all the time. Just mod and then block. Mod and block. Mod and block.
300 seconds? That's aggressive. I need to change that. Sorry.
300 seconds. Oh yeah, it is. 5 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, someone in here, I'm trying to find it, but they said, masked investor, take off the mask. It's stupid.
It'd be
Let him,
extremely
let the
painful.
boy
It'd be
live.
extremely. Come on, people. Come on. Ron Burgundy.
Bro, it's even funnier because the guy put masked investor. He's like, masked investor, take off the mask. So what do you want him to fucking be then?
Funny
Not
as
the
hell is
masked
when, like,
investor
people would,
anymore?
like, get upset about you, and it's like you clicked on a channel that said the masked investor.
The funny thing is, they see me with the mask on in the actual thumbnail.
Yeah.
And they're
Right.
like, yes, I want to consume this content. And then, why are you wearing a mask? But guys, listen, I got to jump. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Probably several times. I don't even know how this is going to work.
Yeah.
We'll
We'll be on
we'll
at
talk.
11:30. And then I'll see
There's
you
2
in the
lives
after.
tomorrow? Yeah.
There we go. There we go. All right, guys. Have fun.
Later, man.
See you, my guy.
Thanks for helping me set this up.
Wild, man.
Oh, I think he was gone by the time I said that because I'm looking at the stream.
Yeah, he was.
All right,
But
do you guys have
that's
any more
all right. He
questions?
knows.
Let's throw in some questions because I always ask you guys if you have questions, and then I don't get very many. And I feel like a lot of this stuff is like very complex. So if you guys are wondering anything, just let me know.
Someone put Sean Hunt put you could become the unmasked investor after the squeeze. I'm done. Okay, I got it. I'm taking a screenshot of it.
That's so funny. Maybe after the squeeze, if he ever does it, he'll just change his name to the unmasked investor.
Yeah,
Guys,
there you go.
You guys gotta watch TMI's pre-market stream. He's up early. If you guys aren't already subbing to TMI, I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, that guy.
And Rogue too.
He's super early. Nah.
Prediction for tomorrow? Who knows, man?
Hey, wait. Who says it? Stock. He says, well, it could go up. It could go down. It could go right. But one thing's for sure. It won't ever go left.
Where's the free drinks? I mean, I don't know. Somebody point me in the right direction. Tomorrow AMC will squeeze. If not, then Monday it will squeeze. If not, then Tuesday it will squeeze. If not, then Wednesday it will squeeze. That's funny. So with back, Vix, did BlackRock lose billions on their HYG puts last Friday? We don't actually know if BlackRock had those puts for June 18th. Now, this is something that not a lot of people were looking at. If you guys were watching that video closely, if you look at the option chain for HYG, I just pulled up like the other expiration dates. So it's not just this one specific. Oops, that's not good. I hate when it does that. Okay, so when you look here, there's all of these open interest, like all of these contracts still here for July 16th. So that's another month of really high open interest HYG. Then when we come down to August, this one, there's still really high open interest here. And then it's bleeding into September now too. So right here, there's so much open interest on all of these. And then let's see October. I haven't looked at October yet. And then it drops off a little bit in October. So it's not necessarily that everybody thought it was going to like crash last week. They're playing it out for a long period of time. And then since these contracts, the IV on these is like, it's right here. It's like nothing. So when the contracts will depreciate, but it won't be that crazy. So they can just roll them over if they don't think it's going to crash this week. Hey, Short, the video I love to see. I would love to be a mod. I'm always on TMI's lives. Keep up the great work. I watch all of your great info. Thanks, Brian. I'm not really sure. We'll figure it out though. The screen The screen should not be blurry. Is it? Because on my end it's perfect.
It looks good here, but let me look at the live.
Yeah, let me see, because the stream health says excellent. Stream settings. Let's look.
It doesn't look blurry on the live, or yeah, on your live on YouTube.
It looks good.
It looks
Yeah,
good.
because my videos, I saw it today. It looks bad because I'm recording on like a really old. You guys would be shocked at what I record my videos on and how I do it. This is the first time I've ever used a microphone today. Is the first time. So yeah, it's not blurry. Okay, cool. The words are small. Okay.
You literally just set all this up, what, yesterday? Or
Yeah,
earlier today?
I went out, I bought everything yesterday, and then TMI helped me set it up. Definitely not shocked. Okay. We can tell. Yeah. Okay, that's fair. Blurry to me, but I'm hammered. That happens, man. Rogue, the one time I was going to have fun,
Yeah.
like, because I've just been doing videos in school and stuff. I was like hanging out with my friends, and then Rogue sends me a message and is like, "You need to get into this Twitter space." And then our other friend Loco is like, "You need to get into this Twitter space." And I was like, "Oh no, something's happening. Let me go see what's going on." So I'm like out with my friends, and I'm just on a Twitter space talking to Rogue and a bunch of people about reverse repos. Screen looks bad. Vix looks perfect. Thanks, James. Appreciate that. The thing is though, is this screen looks amazing to me. I don't know. I think it's your fault. I think it's all of you guys. It's not me. It's probably me. What recent regulation change do you feel will be the most significant? I like 002 the best. You guys can't see this? Let me do this. Rogue, what are you doing? All right, it's just us now. Hold on. Can you guys hear me? How come the guy in white hoodie doesn't have his name on the screen? Because it's my channel. I'm Short the Vix.
Oh, hold on. This is Short the Vix.
Yeah,
this is who you guys listen to
all the
Here,
sometimes.
Listen to his broadcaster voice. Go ahead. Do your intro.
Do you guys hold on? Let's ask the chat. Should I do an intro for you guys?
Bro, do it. That was funny as shit.
Hold on. Let's see.
Didn't
You
even know
guys
that it
want
was
me
you.
to do a live intro of how I would do the video? We don't have to. I'm perfectly fine with not doing it. But if you guys want to hear it,
Do it.
Short the Vix is yes. Mike,
A
I
bunch of
feel like
yeses.
your opinion's not valid.
Bro, there's a lot of yeses. There's only one no, and that's from
All right.
Davin.
All right. Fine. In a deep voice, I can't do that. It's not gonna work. All right, I'm gonna do like
Just the beginning.
okay. Let's see. Now I'm thinking about it too much. All right. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I've got another incredibly important AMC update to bring all of you this evening.
Phenomenal. See, that's who you listen to.
That's what Vix needs.
That is Short the Vix, guys.
Yeah, see, it's me.
That is, I mean,
Not blurry, man.
there you go.
Is it my Wi? There's no way it's my Wi-Fi. I mean, probably is.
No, it's good. I can see it clear, everything.
Yeah, so can I.
So
It's honestly, it's a lot better than it was gonna be if I just went for my laptop. It would be like I'd come over here and then I'd glitch out and be over here. See,
It's
wasn't that a
actually
great
YouTube.
impression of Short the Vix? Wasn't that awesome?
Dude, that was incredible.
Verification complete. Awesome. That was the 2-factor authentication that we needed for the live stream.
Okay, so I think I know what they're seeing now. It's on YouTube. YouTube itself is like it's all scratchy looking. It's blurry.
Huh.
But on the Restream, what we're seeing, it's
it's
not
a
what everyone
YouTube.
else is. It's weird.
Maybe it's so it looks bad.
It did look bad. I think it's more blurry in the background though. I do agree. The background picture.
Like the chart?
Yeah, your chart.
Why? That doesn't make a lot of sense. I'm gonna have to. I'll have to figure that out for tomorrow. I'll ask some people, but I mean, again, this is my first time doing this, so we're gonna. At least we got all of these like issues out tonight because I accidentally went live like an hour ago.
So it doesn't look like bad. It doesn't look bad, but it looks a little different. If you popped up the YouTube video compared to what we're looking at, it's a semi like blurrier. So it's like
let's see if I can mess around with
not that really noticeable.
I get my gallon away. Okay, let's see if I do this. Is this better? Can I move this? What was that?
You got the music too. You figure out what kind of music you're gonna play in the background.
I'm trying to figure out this resolution thing, those settings.
Honestly, dude,
video
it's good.
resolution 720. That's the issue.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll ask TMI, but the video resolution, it says it's 720. So
and it should be at least like 1080.
Yeah,
I think.
I'll ask him about that. Thank you guys for coming though. This is my first live stream. I honestly didn't think like a lot of people were gonna show up, especially like at night. So
Yeah,
but
right.
we're gonna go live tomorrow, 11:30, first one during market hours. It's gonna be a great time.
Remember to tweet it out.
I do say at the current time a lot too. That is another one. What else do I say a lot? I say the word now. See, we can't play the game with all of the words I say. It's going to be terrible.
I'll become an alcoholic at that point.
Yeah, it would just be, it wouldn't work. TMI, stop talking. TMI's not here. Yeah. 1080 will be more lag. Oh, boy.
Okay.
Mayo as the new icon. We could make, if I do like memberships, Mayo can be like one of them. We'll probably have bowls be the first one. And it'll just be like time based, how long you're a member for. What stock is like this? Why does it say Restream? Restream is what TMI and I use to stream because it's a lot easier for us to just send links to people.
I think you fixed whatever it was. But it would mainly be on the user that's actually watching you on YouTube. It's mainly on them. They can select different quality.
People are just putting quotes of things I say in my videos.
Someone said, "What's the Mayo thing?"
What's the Mayo thing? I mean, I don't know. It doesn't make a lot of sense. I still don't get it. I need to get a new chair too. This is the most miserable chair ever.
She had like a gaming chair with like back support and everything. That's what I got.
Yeah, that's what I should do. I just need to be able to like lean back a little bit, and it needs to be like comfortable. Restream is what happens if you. That's funny.
You are definitely gonna need some more mods.
Yeah. So TMI's Mask wanted to do it. Can you explain how Citadel worker David Ings and how he's involved with the so David Ings is on the board of the DTCC. In my opinion, since Citadel is so large and the DTCC is like a massive clearing corporation, it makes sense that they would have somebody on their board. But at the same time, it is a conflict of interest if they're actively manipulating the market and trying to get around all of the DTCC's regulations. So, but at the same time, one person is not going to be able to stop the squeeze. David Ings is not going to be able to go in there and be like, hey, all of you, we're not going to put in these regulations anymore just so we can be safe, if that makes sense. Don't sit for too long, very unhealthy. Yeah. Hella Bliss for mod. Is she here or is he here? I think it's a she. Or I have no idea. Hella Bliss. Yeah, I'm thinking of someone else. But yeah, Hella Bliss can definitely be a mod. Do you want to be a mod, Hella Bliss? Let's ask that first before I just start throwing out
wrenches. You get a wrench. You get a wrench.
Yeah, I'll just Oprah everybody a wrench. Tell me to save my money and buy stock instead of wasting on super chats. Save your money and buy a stock instead of wasting it on super chats. Seriously, thanks for all the effort both of you put into this movement. Thank you, Danny. I really appreciate that. Yeah, Hella Bliss, if you wanna be a mod, just like say yes, or I want to be a mod, and I'll throw you the wrench. Okay, cool. Add a moderator.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna have neck problems from looking over it like this. Thanks, DM on Twitter. Oh yeah, and if you guys don't follow me on Twitter too, I'm on Twitter as of like the last month.
Short the VIX 1.
Yep.
Short the VIX and then the number 1.
Yeah, it's just somebody took
one of your mods should tag it in the chat.
Yeah.
They tagged mine in the chat earlier, so I know I know one of them can do it.
Yeah, anytime, Hella Bliss. DM on Twitter. Jugger, is your name the same? It's gonna be hard if everybody's name is not the same on Twitter.
Can I tag it?
Man from Mars? Who's that? Is that like an Elon reference?
You know what? Let me see if I can do this.
Citadel, yeah, guys, I've seen the Citadel stuff. I had that video. I had that video out about Citadel for like 10 minutes, but we really don't know. So
we don't have definitive proof.
What's the ticker? I mean, oh, it's HYG on screen. I'll change it back to AMC, but yeah, I don't know why this is blurry.
It really is not.
I mean, I'm gonna have AMC on screen, so
I'm looking at it right now on my YouTube, and let me just change the quality.
Yeah,
I think 720 is all it gets. Yeah, you're good. It's not bad at all. You're good. It's a good quality.
Will I be doing a video on ATOS? I will not. Sorry. I'm all I'm really focusing on right now is AMC right now. Just because of all of the research that I've done on it and where I think this market is headed. I don't think it's helpful. It's literally just opportunity cost of capital. Where do I think putting my money is going to give me the best return? And whatever that is what I'm going to focus on for the time being.
Okay, let me see if I do this right.
And then after the squeeze, we'll start talking about other stuff.
Can you click on that link?
Which one?
Hell yeah, I did it. I put your link in the chat. There's a link.
Thanks, Rogue. No wrench for me.
I got you.
Irresponsible and a jerk. I say, hey, that's some self-awareness right there, man. Is it ATOS? I see. Yeah, I am not familiar with ATOS at all. I mean, it reminds me of like when anybody comes into like chats and is talking about other stocks when we're talking about AMC, it just reminds me of like Clove and like what was it in January? What was the one that
Rocket?
Rocket. Yeah, Rocket Mortgage. Vix, is this your first time streaming? Yes, it is. Content's the gift that never stops giving. Thank you, man. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, you guys are getting a wealth of knowledge, and you're going to be starting to get it live every Wednesday. You thinking every day?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do it every day. 11:30 or 12 till around 2 or 2:30 Eastern. Talk about the reverse repo. Ooh, I could get into the reverse repo. We could do that quick, and then I'll probably cut off the stream soon. So with the repo market, the Fed, when you're doing a repo, not a reverse repo, the Fed pumps cash into the banking system. And that's essentially what they did over the last year. Now, the problem then becomes is when there's too much money in the system, the banks think of like the fractional reserve banking system and the interest that you get on the money that you give a bank. If the bank has too much cash, then it has to pay so much interest on it that they can't make enough return on it in order to make it worthwhile. Like it actually becomes a liability on their balance sheet. So what the Fed and the banks are doing now is now using the cash, the banks are now buying treasury securities from the Fed. And what they can use those treasury securities for is most likely going to be collateral. And the fact that there's the number of the reverse repos going into the 800 billion range, it just shows me that one, definitely too much money in the system, which we already know. Now, we also can speculate, which I think is a lot more than speculation, that there's a big collateral crisis going on because we know that the margin debt is at astronomical numbers. And there's a couple of other aspects as well. We saw JP Morgan open up those 17 netting accounts. We're seeing all of these crazy options plays on HYG. Everything is pointing to over leveraging and a massive correction coming. So the fact that they need to get their hands on all of this collateral in order to maintain all of these new liquidity requirements, like we have OO2, which is going to make these liquidity requirements happen every day instead of once every month. We had an NSCC 005, I believe it was, where it changed the initial margin deposit from 10,000 to 250,000. And then the OCC stress test, they've essentially said, hey, we need $588 million more right now. So everything is saying, hey, we're over leveraged and undercapitalized. So hopefully that makes sense. I like pancakes. Cool. Saw a video that
I like turtles.
Let it get to 800 to get everyone to sell. In your opinion, do you think it will go back up if we hold through it? Okay, that's actually a good question. So I'm only looking at a couple of things to tell me if we're getting close to the squeeze, we're in the squeeze, or we're near the top of the squeeze. Those two indicators are widespread market sell-off. And the reason that is one of my indicators is because when the margin calls start coming, these institutions, whether it be a hedge fund or a bank with all of the trades that they're doing at their trading desk, they don't just have a large short position on AMC if they do at all. They have a lot of other long positions or short positions that they're most likely also over leveraged in. Now, it could just be a position in the S&P 500, any of the blue chip stocks, Google, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, that they're going to have to liquidate in order to either put cash into these margin accounts or cover their positions. So that is going to cause a sell-off because when all of these different institutions need to sell, it's just going to flood the market with selling volume. Now, if they liquidated their entire portfolio and they still cannot come up with enough money to either cover or maintain these margin requirements because the stock has gone so high, then we will start to see the bankruptcies. But after the last week, I think that we are going to see market sell-off before bankruptcies. That, like, before I didn't really know which one was going to be coming first. I was speculating that it would be market sell-off, but now that we saw that one fund in London close their main fund and is returning money to the outside investors, and that was over stuff that happened back in January. So it could take a long time for these funds to actually declare their bankruptcy. So what I'm looking at is the sell-off in crypto and the overall market. Now, I want to pull this up too really quickly if I can. If we look at VXX, it's like the ETN that tracks the VIX, the volatility index. When you look at the implied volatility on it, it's relatively high with these longer out expirations. That's not the one. So August, these might have actually came down. Actually, it looked like these were very expensive contracts before, so it was implying a large move in volatility going up. We also see those HYG puts, so I do think it is coming, but nobody knows when. That's the problem. Low beta market sell-off shouldn't affect AMC. I think a lot of people think about the market sell-off like backwards. Like the market sell-off, I don't believe is going to cause a sell-off in AMC, because the AMC situation, you guys, I feel like a lot of you have seen my AMC is going to crash the market videos. I think that AMC is going to be a reason, like AMC, GameStop, all of these short squeeze plays that we have, mainly just AMC and GameStop. The fact that all of these funds are going to have to start liquidating at some point is going to be what causes the market crash. So the AMC and GameStop are already going to be sky high once we see these sell-offs and crashes start to happen. Gary Gensler has a slight grudge on hedge funds. It's possible. I don't know Gary Gensler personally, so I wouldn't be able to say if that's true. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna cut off the stream for tonight. Thank you all so much for coming in. Thank you to everybody that sent in the super chats. I really appreciate it. We're gonna be going live tomorrow at 11:30 Eastern, and we're just gonna see what's going on. We're gonna do some due diligence. We're gonna have fun. I think a lot of what happens during the market hours is everybody gets stressed out. And we're gonna talk seriously a lot about what's going on, but we're also going to be having fun too, because that's what I feel like is missing in some of these streams. Not always. Everybody always has fun. But we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do a lot of DD and just see what happens. So thank you to everybody who came in. I'm reading some of your comments. They're hilarious.
So stop by tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Eastern, correct?
11:30 a.m. Eastern.
I'm out of it. I'm about to pass out. But yeah, you guys will get a wealth of knowledge from just alone short the VIX. This dude, a prodigy over here. Yes, so much information.
Definitely go follow Rogue on Twitter. Rogue the Legacy.
No. Follow Short the VIX. Follow the guy that you're here. Holy hell. There you go. There it is.
All right. Night, everyone.